Hi folks, I'm Bill, and this is a Bugout Bungalow. It's a panelized building system. This one is 256 square feet, and I'll give you a quick tour. So you can see, it's got a tin roof on this one, lap siding. And here's a smaller version, it's 110 square feet. So I'll show you in here. I've been using this for a bedroom, basically. So this is the small version, and I'll show you the big version. Again, 256 square feet, 16 by 16. Got a full-size bathroom, tub, ceiling fans, cool looking roof. I don't know if this video is giving you a good idea of what I've built here. And there's a sleeping loft. I don't use it. It can also be used for storage. I've been using the bedroom across the little patio here. There's my views. Excuse the mess. Here's my mountain. There's my Jeep. Bugout Bungalow. That's it.